Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Creativities with Nikita, and today I'm going to show you this very easy Christmas craft. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Here first I'm taking a white sheet of paper which is A4 in size and it is 100 GSM, and I'm folding it diagonally and making crease with my fingers, and then I will cut out the extra rectangle using my scissors. Take the cutout triangle and fold it in half. Now it's time to fold the triangle into 3 equal parts as I'm showing you in the video. As you can see that I am folding the first 1/3 from the right and then flipping the paper, and then folding the last 1/3 from the right. Just make sure that all the folds and the crease lines are proper. And in the last, as you can see that I am cutting the fish tail, and the paper would look like this. Second, let me view my screen. Now it's perfect. I hope it's visible. So I'm taking my pencil and just drawing some curves and half circles in the form of snowflakes from the right side. In the meantime, if you find my video really helpful and interesting, do not forget to like, share, subscribe my channel for more such wonderful videos. As soon as you completed drawing, take your time and cut the design along the lines you have drawn, and as the paper is thick, so be careful while cutting the design. If you want to see more such crafts, do not forget to comment down in the comment section below. After you finish cutting, don't forget to clean the table, and now erase the extra pencil lines on the paper, and then it's time to unfold the snowflakes. So let's see how it is. Tara, and my beautiful easy handmade snowflake is ready. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.